3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to resolve the GPU driver version error in Warzone, ensuring a smoother gaming experience without risks of crashes or freezing. When this error message appears, it's important not to proceed without addressing the root cause, usually outdated graphics card drivers. The solution begins by accessing the Task Manager through the Start menu to terminate all instances of Call of Duty running in the background. After closing the game, the next step involves updating your graphics card drivers, which can be done through the Device Manager. By navigating to Display Adapters, you can identify your graphics card, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. If the system indicates your drivers are up to date, manually visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers. For NVIDIA users, the GeForce Experience application offers an additional way to check for updates or reinstall drivers if necessary. If you're unsure of your graphics card model, the video suggests using the Run tool and entering DexDiag to identify your device details under the Display tab. Activision also provides official articles with guidance on updating drivers for different brands. Once the graphics drivers are updated, the error should no longer occur, allowing for uninterrupted gameplay.